So I bought this little S10 Blazer. It's a nice little truck. I got it for cheap. I bought it just for the body. I like the two-wheel drive body style, and it's, well, the two-door body style rather. And planning on doing an LS swap on it. There's a old 5.3 sitting back in the corner over there that's going in. Got a 4L80 that's going in too, sitting over on the side. But it's got this little 4.3 in it. It runs perfect. Truck looks like it's decently well cared for. It's got 241,000 miles on it. But fires right up, runs perfectly. It's got great oil pressure. Goes down the road fine. I put a few miles on it. Yeah, it's a great little engine. Doesn't make any funny noises or anything. Just runs like a little sewing machine. No idea on the history of it. I don't know if that 241,000 miles is what's on the engine. The heads look like they've been machined. I'm not real sure. Everything looks pretty good under here. Of course, you can't really tell because it's dark. Let me get a light. But I mean, it looks to be a fairly clean little engine. But what you can see on it, these things are really buried in here. So of course, I'm just gonna cram a huge engine into this thing like an idiot. But it's a nice running vehicle, so naturally I'm going to take it all apart and make it into a project that won't move for years. But yeah, I'm going to do a compression test on it, get all the numbers for that and everything. Probably warm it up, do a little video of the hot oil pressure on it. But the engine's going to be for sale with the full harness, the ECU, the 4L60E that's behind it. Probably take it out for a little drive, show that it shifts through all the gears just fine. It doesn't slip or anything. Just a good unit if you need it for a project, for an old Jeep or something, some old, you know, old 50s car you just want to get back on the road, whatever. It'll do you well on that. So yeah, we get to it. So here we go. We're going to take it for a little bit of spin. Like I said, it's a nice driving truck, so it makes perfect sense that I'm going to take it all apart. I don't know what I'm doing. Smart guy would just drive it back and forth to work and enjoy it as it is, but I'm not smart. Oh, gotta get the gate. Thank you for your patience. Well, she's starting to get a little warmth in her now, so I'll give her the beans. She is not fast. others though, holds overdrive lockup just fine and dandy. Needs an alignment real bad. Kind of wanders a bit. It's got new ball joints. That's totally irrelevant to the engine though. But you know, she's warming up and you know, still well over 40 psi oil pressure at 600 RPM there at in drive with my foot on the brake. So if you need a good engine, let me know.